Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. I clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 10th to the 24th. We have a change that will be coming probably after this period or towards the end of the last period, towards the 24th. And this is because this is the MJO will be heading out of phase 2 to phase 1. And we're looking at the different forecasts. This is the last 40 days. This is the forecast. The various forecasts. And in addition, that also the EPO will be trending towards negative. And with that being said, that causes warm weather in the east, which is occurring. But we have other changes going on, and we're going to look at that as we go to the period. Now we have a ridge here. Let's start by the beginning. It's for the 10th. We have a ridge here and also a ridge out over Europe. And these two may join forces, creating a block. And this could happen later in the period, forcing a trough here in the east. Now, in the meantime, what we have is a very deep trough here in the eastern U.S., ridge here over the east, or the northeast with above normal heights in the east. This here is Eta. So the model's good agreement with this. We still have below normal heights across much of the Arctic region into the western U.S., as I said. Now, talking about Eta, here's the current position as of 4 p.m. 20.4 north, 80.7 west. Maximum sustained winds is 60 miles per hour, and movement is towards the northeast at 16. Now, with that said, this could bring some heavy rain and tropical storm force winds across parts of Florida. And during this period, we're going to go to another map. Want to show you what's going on in also in over in Asia. Now you see we have this trough moving down to the period, but we get later in the period, we start having a trough that will be moving into Asia, moving this ridge out. That also brings a trough into the eastern U.S. and locks in the pattern. How long it stays, we don't know. But as of now, we have a ridge here. This favors a ridge in the east. Now, we have a strong cold front that will be pushing through the east right here. Here's our system here on the backside. There'll be some rain and possible snow as the colder air comes in. Other than that, we have a lot of heavy rain here. Now, also in addition, moisture could feed northward from Eta right here and cause heavy rainfall across portions of the northeast middle Atlantic, as you see right here. And we will have record-setting warmth ahead of the cold front across the east, with anomalies could exceed 15 degrees below normal. And the west will experience cold temperatures with unsettled conditions with anomalies at 10 to 20 degrees below normal. Then we're going to, later in the period, we have a moist flow into the northwest late in the week, and this will bring heavy precipitation across the region with possible heavy snowfall across the Cascades into the northern Rockies. Let's see, the GFS shows it better where the rain and snow is. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for November 15th to the 19th. And the flow becomes less amplified compared to what was back here. So for this period, we're still expect the same height anomalies, below normal heights here, below normal heights with a trough in the west, and above normal heights in the east. Kind of like this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west with anomalies of up to 12 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the east with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%. And below normal precipitation forecast for the plains and Mississippi Valley, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for November 20th to 24th. And we have basically a zone of flow across the country, kind of like this, but the height anomalies are weaker than they were. So below normal heights remain across much of the Arctic region. So for this forecast, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for the Northwest with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the country. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region. And here, probability of occurrence is 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast for much of this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 10th to 24th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.